It's Miss Tab. I am here to just introduce myself just a little bit more since I will be spending some time virtually with your kids. I bet it would be beneficial to know just a little bit more about myself. So the first thing, obviously my name is Miss Tab. I have two kids. I have Peyton up here who's 5 and he's in Miss Juarez's class. And then I have Kendall down here who's 9 and she is in Miss Erzin's 4th grade class. We also have a Great Dane named Jameson who is 6 and he's like our favorite thing on the whole planet. About myself professionally, I went to Missouri State University and graduated in 2014. I moved to Kansas where I taught kindergarten for 2 years, and I also was a guest teacher for 1 year. And then I moved to Colorado Springs in June of 2018, and I've been teaching 1st grade here for 2 years in person, and then this year I am the e-learning teacher for only 1st grade. I know it says K1, forgot to change that, but I started the year teaching kindergarten and 1st grade e-learning. And then just some fun stuff about myself. I am a huge fan of the St. Louis Blues and the Kansas City Chiefs. I like snowboarding. My kids love skiing, so we're always in the mountains any chance we get. And some of my best friends work here at Stetson. So I have Miss Kennedy, who used to work here. And then I have Miss Bodenhausen is one of my best friends. Miss Cunningham, Miss Altamose, and Miss Juarez are all some of my very, very, very best friends. All right, now get into the stuff that probably everybody wants to know about. So this schedule here will start on Thursday, okay? This schedule will start on Thursday. This is what the schedule is going to look like. So you can kind of look on here and see where you're supposed to go, and I'm going to put this into Google Classroom. So right here, Mrs. Pajtas's morning meeting will be from 8:30 to 9, and you click this Zoom link, and that's how you get on. I use the same links for everything, just an FYI. So when it gets close to 9, I'm going to have to wrap it up because I also have another morning meeting, and I've told my class that time is going to be a little bit more strained as I'm trying to get every single person in where they need to be. So then it will be my class's morning meeting, and I do have reading groups from 9:40 to 11:30. Then I have lunch/duty from 11:30 to 12:30. 12:30 to 1:40 is when I do my math groups, and then I have plan time until 2:35 with my other 1st grade team. And then my office hours will be from 2:40 to 3:30. I use that time for planning, or that would be a time where I will be emailing back. I will be making phone calls. That would be a time that you can call me. And if I'm not in here, then leave a message and I will give you a call back. So this office hour time is really for us to communicate, teacher to parent, or teacher to grown up. And then that's that. So we have access to Epic here, and I'll get to that in a second. Every single day, it is important and it is required, Monday through Thursday, to get 15 minutes of Lexia, ST Math, and reading in. The reading can be on Epic. The reading can be just looking at books. The reading could be you reading to them, a sibling reading to them reading to a sibling. It's going to look different in every single household, as you all will be doing different things with different schedules. That reading is the best thing that you can ever do for your child, and I won't go on a huge tangent about that. But we need 15 minutes of Lexia, ST Math, and reading. And then for the Epic part. So I know the students know about Epic, but I want to make sure that you have like a little tutorial on it. So this is what the app looks like if you are on a phone or an iPad. And if it's on a computer, it's something different. So the iPad, you just get the Epic app and you put in Miss Pajtas's code here, CZQ4303. You click on your name and you start reading. Friends, do not click on other people's names, okay? It hurts their feelings. It gets them badges that they didn't earn, and I know that when it's your account, you want to earn your own badges. You don't want someone else to do that for you. So be conscious of where you are clicking, and you are only clicking on your own name. Unfortunately, if you click on someone else's name on purpose and it keeps happening, then I will have to take you off of Epic for a short amount of time, okay? All right, and then if it's on a computer, you will get to this web address and you will type in your code and you will click on your name and start reading. I do trust that everybody will only be clicking on their own name. So I hope we don't have to have that conversation. I feel like we have to have that conversation every year, and it's always 110% awkward, but I trust that you guys will do what you're supposed to do. Okay? All right. And then I'm going to go down to here. So I typically have 8 groups a day, and that's including my morning meeting. I have crunched some of my reading groups together and some of my math groups together so that I can get to you guys. So I'll be meeting with you guys for the morning meeting at 8:30. And then during the time between 8:30 and 11:10, when I see you again, that would be really good times to get your ST Math, Lexia, reading in. Take a break, eat lunch, take a nap, play outside, anything, okay? But that is a good chunk of time that you can be getting work done so that when you come to me, you're ready to learn, okay? So we'll be meeting from 11:10 to 11:30. That is only 20 minutes, so I expect everyone to come prepared. What you should have with you is your cat book. It looks, I don't know if I have one right next to me. I have it with my group. It looks like this. I want you to have this with you. We might be using this, we might not. I always want you to have a piece of paper and a pencil, okay? And if you do have a whiteboard and a whiteboard marker, which I'm pretty sure we sent those home, please have that with you as well. We'll be doing different activities, and I can tell you right now that the 20 minutes, it goes by super, super, super fast. Okay, so just come prepared. Everything will be fine. We'll get into a groove, and it's going to be great. And then you have a little bit of a break from 11:30 to 12:55. At 12:55, we will be meeting for math. Okay, and that is another 20 minutes. That goes by pretty quickly, and I want you to have your Zern book. I would like for you to have your piece of paper and your pencil, whiteboard and whiteboard marker, all of that. You can have little things that you could do math with, like some friends like to bring this, like a little Reck and Wreck or something. You may bring cubes, anything that you might want to manipulate to solve addition and subtraction problems. Okay, and again, that time of 20 minutes goes by super, super fast, but it will all be fine. I've got you, not leaving anyone behind. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please reach out. I am here to help you. My biggest thing, hold on, Bugs. My biggest thing is that we need to communicate, okay? I don't know things are wrong or not working unless you tell me, and I will tell you the same, okay? So if you guys need anything, please let me know. I'm here. I respond to emails within 24 hours, faster most of the time over the weekend. It's the weekend time off, but I will get back to you guys when I can. All right, so if anyone has any questions, email me, stab@d49.org, or call the school and have them transfer you down to my room. Thank you guys so much, and I'm so excited that we get to do this together.